Is and I am from PVG College. The topic was communication skill, and the trainer was Tushar Pawar sir. And first, before coming on the stage, my legs was shivering. I was not confident, but after coming on the stage, I gained a little bit confidence, and I am sure that after so many practices I will done, then I will be sure that I will gain more confidence about the communication skills. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Hunani. So, to be honest, I have stage fear. So, as sir mentioned, as soon as you come on the stage, look all over the or towards the audience. So, I come on the stage and look all over the audience, and after that, I gain self confidence. So, I not stumbled while giving my introduction. That's all. Thank you. Conducted by Tushar sir. When first time I came on stage, I was too nervous, but more confident and then
Good afternoon, everyone. So, most of my thanks to Tushar sir. So, before getting at stage, I was blank, but I had my attitude that invincible field, I will dominate in it, which boosts my confidence. All my thanks to Tushar sir.
Hello, it was first day of our first editor class. The topic was about communication skills, which was presented by Tushar Pawar sir. So before coming to my introduction very smoothly, and I also gained some confidence, and now I'm able to speak in front of you. So most thank to Tushar Pawar sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajesh Sawant. This topic, I'm currently studying in PVG Pune. Today's topic was on communication skill. When first time I came on the stage, I have too much stage fear that I got stumbled many times and I forgot what I have to speak. But second time when sir gave me chance, that time sir helped me to reduce my stage fear little bit and increase my fluency in English and speak about the topic. So
Hello everyone, my name is Yash Ambekar. I am from PVG Technical Department. Before coming to the stage, I was very nervous, but but by the guidance, of sir, I got some confidence, and I am able to introduce myself to you. And this is due to Tushar sir. All the thanks to Tushar sir. Thank you.
hello everyone, myself Om Mani. Today was our personal development first session about communication skills conducted by Sir Pawar sir. So it helped me lot of about to just to introduce myself and just giving my introduction to your all for to just perform good and we should grow together. That's all. Thank you.
communication skills. And I'm really thankful to you, sir, because I have a little bit of stage fear. And after giving me a chance to speak up in front of you all, I really gained my confidence from the songs. Did we complete the subject communication skill topic, which was conducted by Tushar Pawar sir? Thank you, because 11th and 12th standard, but I am very confident. Thank you, sir. Can you give us my message? This topic was communication skill conducted by Tushar sir. So, sorry.
Thanks.
Today I made a conversation regarding communication skill, which was given by Tushar Pawar sir. The stage here, but I'm not myself actually shivering. I'm shivering, but now I'm here speaking in front of you at a job, and that's it. No, because I'm in this completely confidence.
Communication skills conducted by Tushar. So my experience was before this time I conducted or I presented myself, introduced myself in Marathi confidently, but there was a little bit problem or one thought that English would be problem for me, but it's like we can write in English fluently, but when it comes to speaking, when we come to stage and start speaking in English, then we fumble. But today it was a good chance for me to start the first stage towards the English speaking and introduction. It was a truly good experience.
Hello everyone, myself Parth Jada from PVG. And my experience was great, like from nervousness to feeling confident. That's all because of him. He directed very
Dr. Prasad Vishwas Lakshmi. Currently, I am studying in Pune Vidyarthi Graha in Pune. I am from electrical branch. In our conducted communication skill, which is directed by our mentor or professor Tushar Pawar sir. Uh, One thing that I mentioned at all, I am lastly, I have lastly speech on the stage in my seventh standard. That's all. That's today's date when I was speech on that stage. This is only for only this only from only because of the Tushar Pawar sir.